Hello, my name is Isis Thomas Biju from 11 Science F, and today I am proud to present a demo of Ingenuity upon which I have worked hard for the last 1 week. This is an integrated project, mainly spanning across biology, physics components, and computer science. I have used Tinkercad by Autodesk as a platform for my circuit creation. So now, with the introduction over, let us get straight into the demo. So you can see here, a very complicated circuit has been put together. What does it all mean? Well, let us start the simulation first. Perhaps you will be able to piece the information on your own. So, while the circuit is running, let me give you a brief overview of the cell. Cell division is a very important process in all living organisms. During the division of a cell, DNA replication and cell growth also take place. The sequence of events by which a cell duplicates its genome, synthesizes the other constituents of the cell, and eventually divides into two daughter cells is termed as cell cycle. Most cells, including human cells, divide once in approximately every 24 hours. You can see here that the Neo strip I have used has 24 LEDs. Pretty cool, right? You can also see the names of each of the stages being shown on the LCD screen simultaneously. During the G1 phase, the cell is metabolically active and continuously grows, but does not replicate its DNA. During the S phase, DNA replication takes place, but chromosomes number remains the same. During the G2 phase, proteins are synthesized in preparation for mitosis, while cell growth continues. M phase is the most dramatic period of the cell cycle. It is also known as the mitosis phase or the equational division, involving a major reorganization of virtually all components of the cell. Since the number of chromosomes in the parent and progeny cells are the same, it is also called as the equational division. These cells that do not further divide as in the case of heart cells or neurons, they exit G1 phase to enter an inactive stage called quiescent stage or G0 of the cell cycle. Cells in this stage remain metabolically active but no longer proliferate unless called on to do so, depending on the requirement of the organism. It took a great amount of programming to make sure it just got right. This is the programming as you can see here, and it's a very complicated one. It took hours on end, and it was even in a programming language that I didn't know but simply used logic. So, the basic purpose of this project was to display the duration of each of the cell cycle stages. The blue one stands for the G1 phase, the red one stands for the S phase. The S phase is the longest. The light green one stands for the G2 phase. The silver one stands for prophase, the white one for metaphase, the yellow one for anaphase, the pink one for telophase, and the green one finally for cytokinesis, the division of the cell. And finally you can see here, this is a place where the cell exits the G1 phase and enters an inactive stage called the quiescent stage or G0 phase. This spot over here, and this is mainly in heart cells, neurons, etc. That's it for my project. It was not technically a discovery of or innovation of that kind, but it was pretty surreal for me to combine biology and computer. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.